Today, I'm going to blow your mind with a new data point within Viral View that is going to change the Amazon Influence program forever, and that is historical data on creator connections campaigns. I'm excited to dive into my screen and show you how this works, the different use cases, because there are so many products that people are passing up on because there's only 30 days left, or there's 20 days left, or there's 40 days left, and like that's just not enough for me to want to look into this product. But this data point is going to change that forever. So let's jump into my screen and break this down. There are several different scenarios and use cases for this. So come to the Viral View web app, log in. You do have to have the pro subscription to have access to this tool, and you'll come to Campaign Checker. What this allows you to do is enter in a list of ASINs. So you enter in that list, you hit check campaigns, and it's going to do two things. It's going to tell you if it has a campaign, and then the second thing is it's going to allow you to see the historical data on that particular ASIN. So right here, we entered in that list of ASINs. 7 don't have campaigns, 11 do. So if we just come over here and we select this ASIN and we click on the historical data, we're going to be able to see the full picture and see how often is this particular seller creating campaigns. Are they creating them in small windows? Are they renewing often? I don't know, but this is going to tell us, again, the full picture. So up at the top, it's going to show us the coverage. So over the last 90 days, it's been 99%. It's had a campaign. It's had a 19-day active streak. There's been a total of 7 campaigns logged and 6 that have ended, and there's 1 that is active. And you can see that the orange is telling us that it's ending soon. The red means that it has already ended. And so you're going to see that this particular seller is creating several campaigns. And if we open this up, you'll be able to see even more. But they're creating several campaigns, but in short blocks or short timelines. So basically 30 days. So this one is a 30-day-ish campaign. Same with this one, and then same with this one. And so chances are they're going to renew another campaign. And why this is so important is a lot of people they would come across this product and they'd be like, oh, well, there's only 10 days left. And if you scroll down, you can see all the different campaigns, but it says, oh, well, there's 10 days left and it's ending soon. So I'm going to pass because that just doesn't get me super excited. But if you have the historical data on it and you know that it's going to potentially renew, well, that makes this product look a lot better for the people that have this data. But if you don't have this data, well, it looks like a product that, I'm going to pass on. So this is going to, again, allow you to see the full picture. I'm going to show you several different scenarios and different use cases, but that is the concept, is throw in a list of ASINs, check if it has a campaign, and if it does, what is the historical data on it? So that is the kind of the first use case. The second use case is if we come over here to Creator Connections, we actually have a campaign checker. So you can do the same thing. So you click on campaign checker, you can enter in the list of ASINs, and then you can hit scan 18 ASINs. And then from here, it's going to go in and live check. So it's going to go through one by one. Within the web app, it's instantly because it's pulling from our database. So it's not actually going in and manually checking. So this one is going to take a little bit longer, but you can see that it's almost through. So it's scanned the 18, and it looks like there are some available campaigns that I can accept. And so this is, again, the next use case is enter in a list of ASINs, find which ones have campaigns. You can accept them in bulk, or you can add them to bucket, which then allows you to send them a Creator Connections message requesting for XYZ product. So these are super cool features that give you more flexibility when it comes to finding the best products within Creator Connections. And I know people have lists from Facebook, from Instagram, from emails. I know, like, for example, if we come over here, I have this massive list from an agency and they're like, hey, pick some products. And it's like, okay, well, which products should I look at? So I can come over here, I can copy this list of 300 plus products. I can come over here to campaign checker within the web app. I can hit new search, enter in this list. It will pull out all of the ASINs, so you can throw in the actual URLs, and you can also do that within the extension. So if we come over here and hit new scan, and I paste this in, again, it's going to pull all of those ASINs, matter of seconds. The extension, it's going to, again, scan live one by one, so it's going to take a lot longer to scan 305. But if we come to the web app and hit check campaigns, this is going to happen literally instantly. So out of the 305 or whatever it checked, 295 don't have campaigns and 20 do. And from here, we can go in and dig a little bit deeper. And we can be like, okay, which ones do? And then we can come over here, select the checkboxes and add them to bucket or add them to a watch list, which watch list is another feature for another day. We'll highlight that here in a second. We have a ton of new features coming, so get excited. But again, Campaign Checker is going to literally change the game to allow you to have data that no one else has access to and make you make smarter decisions, help you understand what is actually happening. So I'll give you one last use case to kind of wrap things up. So if I'm over here looking for a particular product, it's like, hey, I want to strategically buy a product and I want to buy the best product. So let's just say electric scooter. So we'll come over here, search for the keyword, open up product view, and it's going to pull up a list of products. And it's like, okay, well, I just want the ones that have creator connections. So I filter it by creator connections. And then from here, I'll just kind of work my way down. And it's like, okay, well, this one looks like it has some good potential. It's doing $45,000 per day. There's 26 influencer videos, but there's only 18 days left in the campaign. And it's like a lot of people would be like, you know what, I'm going to pass. I'm going to go to this one that has 79. Now, this one could be the better product, but I'm just giving you guys kind of a real life example. This one that has 18 is like, okay, well, let's not write it off just yet. Let's come over here and grab this ASIN. So right here, we'll grab this ASIN, come over here to Campaign Checker within the web app. We'll hit New Search and paste this in and hit Check Campaigns. And we're going to see that this particular seller, if we click on the historical data, they have so many campaigns, it's unbelievable. 82 has ended. There's 5 that are active, and yes, they are all ending soon. But the chances of them renewing is very, very likely, because if we expand this out to more, you'll see that they've been creating campaigns for a long time, and they have a lot of campaigns. So if we scroll down here and we come back to all the way back to 2025, they have campaigns, and they've been creating campaigns basically every month, and it's been 100% coverage. They've had a 246-day streak. You can be pretty confident. Again, it's no guarantee, but you can be confident that they're probably going to renew the campaign. And again, you would not have that information otherwise. And so again, with product research, it's just going to allow you to make those smarter decisions. And so in this particular case, yes, it's ending soon, but the chances of them renewing is probably pretty likely. So you can see and show fewer. And then down at the bottom, you can see all the other campaigns. Like, there's so much data. I know for those data nerds and people that love the analytics, you guys are going to eat this up. You guys are going to spend so much time and be like, this is unbelievable. And yes, it is. I'm so excited. I'm passionate about it, as you can hear with my voice. I think that this is, again, going to change the game. So again, we'll show you the budget remaining, the start and end date, how many days are left. So we got 19 days left. It's ending soon, but I think that they're going to renew. And so I might not pass up on that product because I have that data. And you can do that for every product that you're doing, every product that you're researching. Maybe you have a cutoff line of 45 days and it's at 30 days. We'll throw that into Campaign Checker and see if there's some historical data. And then you might want to buy it because the chances of them renewing is a lot more likely. So for me, I'm not going to write off any products, whether there's less than 30 days, less than 60 days, again, whatever criteria you have, until I throw it into the Campaign Checker and look at the historical data. So that is going to be crucial, and it's going to be a new addition to my product research strategy, and I'm excited for you guys to dive into it. Again, it's within the web app. Here shortly, we'll integrate historical data within the extension, but it's on the web app. It's super easy. Just plug in the ASIN and then check it, click here, and then you can see everything in one place. So super slick, super awesome. This is Campaign Checker. Again, it's kind of killing 2 birds with 1 stone. It's going to identify if a product has creator connections campaigns or not. And if it does, then you can add it to a bucket, and you can reach out to that seller requesting for a sample, or you want to see the historical data on the creator connections and you can go by clicking on this and then see everything in one place. So super exciting stuff. I'm excited to hear your guys' feedback, but this is again alive and available for all pro users. So if you are not yet subscribed to ViralView, I'll put the link down below. You guys can get signed up and start leveraging the best data when it comes to Amazon influencers. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed, like the video, subscribe, drop a comment, and we will see you in the next one.